kuna watu sana pale social media wamesema nidirehura githuri muno. And I want to respond to that. Yekwe tondu nejathirwo mwikire ikira hau wa ngoma yeto ngoma ya muteru no te moto wa ngoma ona ni anyita uria kwendaga.
Ukiri mwega mwiroreri wa Muchane TV na Luciana Creative. Muthenya wa umothe ni ngugithia go shughuli ciakwa, and guess what? I met the one and only
Yekwe tondu nejathirwo mwikire ikira hau
the Queen of Mugithi.
Yeah, I go. Queen of Mugithi, Gasheni ka Mugithi.
Uhoro waku?
Mwega fio. Yes, no thiku ici marajita the Queen of Mugithi.
Nice to see you.
Thank you so much.
You're actually so pretty.
Guy,
Bila makeup, guys. Guy, viri nere koma kairetu.
Koina, kuria wega.
Na besha ciaku.
Na kuhoya. Habesha dio
Na menya uragiturire twakiona ugithakarite oguo.
Ti besha cia rume. Niguo kwa Ngai.
Okay. Ugikoretwo hana atia?
Ndi mwega. Ndire na kauru.
Okay.
Bado tunang'eng'ana. No guthie na mbere.
Nice.
Yes.
Nitugikonete very lately ukoretwo gitrend kuria social media. Na tukona rwimbo rwaku rukoretwo rugika wega muno. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you Phil. Asanteni sana.
Hari mwiroreri uria tonete rwimbo ru no twende umwire atiriri rwimbo ruretwo atia tutanambiriria interview itu.
Rwimbo rwakwa it's my first song rutagwo ngoma ya muti. Yes, dear Daveka Nikino rutagwo ngoma ya muti, and it is doing very well so far. 230k views within 2 weeks. Wow. So iko poa.
Wow.
Yes.
For sure you are the queen.
One thing, numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
Numbers don't lie. So hii si eti ni mimi nimejiekelea kujiita queen.
Yeah.
Ni nyinyi tu mnanifanya the queen.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, sana naweza taka kujua ngoma ya muti niki?
Waberere. Ninyendaga andu makamenya atiriri tuinagira fans. Sikutoa wimbo ati juni yangu agikonero akwa niginire na rukome no rwimbo tondu ni rwa fans ri ni ndigagira fans ka room kauka we mwiroreri we fan wa Muchane TV ngoma ya muti we wonete reciria niki riu hau hakoragwo he ha fans.
Wow.
Tondu we ni gutaukwo uria ukwenda na nie ndagukwo uria ngwenda uguo niguo.
Okay. Yes. Na no twende kumenya atiriri riria wakorire hindi ria wathire interview no kiita Queen of Mugithi, did you expect you would receive the kind of response yenye iria wonire kuma kuri ma fans na andu aria matakoi hindi yo?
Wabere omundu ni ari die hard fans ake.
Yeah.
And like I said, numbers don't lie. Kuna inyege muno marutete secular Mugithi September turarutire andu aria mararutire nyimbo cia Mugithi September rwakwa ni ruo rwina the highest number of views paka saizi. Na rwa Joyce wa mama rurahetuka, but she's been in the game, she's doing well, she's a legend. Una get?
Yeah.
So me I'm so young and my song doing very well. The second song that is over 230k views by now, it should tell you I'm not self-proclaiming myself. It's something that is there. And like I was saying, omodonary fans ake, I have my fans who know me as their queen, and now it is time I claim a title. Wewe waigwa mundu akiita queen twajie hau.
Reke abe kanyamu abe akude tondu tutingenda ngare.
Wewe waigwa mundu akiita queen. No answer me oneno interview ni yaku. Sheskia.
Ndire ndaigwa mundu akiuga I am the Queen of Mugithi.
Thank you for answering.
Ne jiguete. Ni ndaiguira Gasheni gakiuga.
Good. So nimechukua title. Title sikuipata na mtu. And the only person alikuwa na hiyo title, may her soul rest in peace, Queen Jane. So why you fighting me for claiming a title? You hauko umesema So haifai kuwa big deal. I'm claiming something that was never claimed. Yes.
Okay, kwina andu kuria social media marafeel ati nima wina thauti njega, no, but you are not yet the queen. Like you have to be. Do you think kwina experience yori fati gukorwo nayo nigitha we when you kinyire hihi
interview no iti yakwa nawe? What qualifies you to be a queen? What makes you think somebody is qualified to be a queen and the other person is not qualified to be a queen? What
you tell me.
You comment down there. Well, Rashiri, I'm not good enough to be the queen. What qualifies me?
Okay. Hediria wa postire rwimbo mix ya I mean performance yaku ya bere. Was it 6 months ago? When was it?
I think I can't remember.
So ilifika pahali ka trend after like 2 months.
Yes.
And tukaona Joy wa Macharia hari ogwo Facebook. Akaposta akasema akiuga ethero kairetu gaka ni arenda gukarera. Hihi ni monanira nake?
Like I said, in showbiz, she's a good woman, she's a good lady. Amesupport watu wengi sana.
Yeah.
And to clear the air, me I've never attacked any musician. Sijai attack mtu mimi. Hata hizo respond alipata hapo, she can witness and she can say I didn't write it. My fans did. So mimi sijawahi attack msanii and I respect them to the fullest. But in showbiz, I have to fight to be there. Yes. But mimi sijawahi mtusi, sijawahi mrudishia. She's a good lady, she's a nice woman. Amepea watu wengi sana platform. So and I respect her for that and I love her for that. Yes. But the only thing that now that is happening tuko showbiz. Sisi wote. Yeah.
So kila mtu anatumia mwingine unatumia.
Mimi situmii mtu, mimi najitumia kwenda mahali naenda. Hakuna mtu natumia. Yes, na kama natumia mtu labda DJ Fato. Huyo kumtumia hata nimemtumia by the way.
Okay.
Juu nimetumia stage zake, amenipea platform sana. So I think that is the only show that I have leaned on for some time, big time.
Okay. Okay, na no tukiende tugikuria atiriri. Hihi wakiuga ni ugitumirite DJ Fatso. Na ndukire wagioka guko kwa Mushene TV na Luciana Creative rege.
Yes.
No nyende ugitwira atiriri. Hihi DJ Fatso re. Is he your man? Or is he just any other person in the music industry? Who is he?
DJ Fato is my best friend. He's a friend to me.
Yeah.
He's more of a father figure in the industry to me. Kama hiyo wakati watu waliniattack sana, he was the biggest shoulder I went to lean on. He's not my boyfriend.
Okay.
He's not my love. Hata hizi hadi sasa haiwezi happen. Okay. He's a good man, but because of work hatuwezi fika huko. Yeah.
Okay. So ningetaka tena niulize what is like the best like okay, ni kitu gani alikuambia the moment aliona una trend? Nio kiria gikwira andu kamake hihi kana heka undu akwirire hindi yonire ni ura trend na andu ni magutrolete muno?
Hata si yeye alinitafuta. Like I told you, he's a father, so I called him and I told him what is happening. Even he didn't know. He didn't know. And kwe modogiuga ati ona Fato niyo he didn't know. He didn't. I called him, I told him what is happening and he was there. So he was so much encouraging me. Jumi mekwambia he's a father figure. So if I want any advice, I'll ask him. Yes.
Okay. And what is that thing that you love the most about him?
The fact that he's a father.
Okay.
Yes. Fato mimi maisha yangu yote ajai niambia ninaimba vizuri, hajawahi. Ati you performing good. Kila siku. Na ndiye fundithia nyimbo wega wewe utige kuina ugo inaga. And you people are always out here telling me unaimba vizuri, umeperform vizuri yeye. Haiziona, and that is fatherhood. Gote de Macharia gakwira ati aga aezi bago kwa the best of the best. So I love the fact that he's a father.
He's really a nice father. When wiguaga ko kinyete hari aho kana uraigua, how far do you think you've gone to where uraigua thiite how far kuringana na haria ungienda gukinya?
I'm at 20%.
Wow.
I'm not yet there. Made kuraihu niko mbali sana. I'm at 20 with this impact. See me at 50%, you gonna like it.
Wow.
Yeah? Akikode tu edina niguo gukode mutagire ndakinya 50. Yeah, but so far so good. And dikinyete onawe dukinyete gutire mundu koragwa kinyete. And every day ginya gitonga billionaire ni ukuigwa kiuga ndari besha na iria cie bengi cieho no ni ukuigwa kiuga atiriri sina pesa. In short, what I'm trying to say, everybody is working every day to find a better person of you, because who you are today tiguo rosho ni murenda gukorwo na something bigger than this. So gutire mundu koragwo kinyite. Yes.
Now, I'm sure you observe music industry sana sai, the far you've gone. No nyenda gukuria atiriri ni kaundu kariku urona andu a Mugithi matire mareka yet ungienda riria ura rise kana riria ura grow into your hari ungienda gukinya ri ni kaundu kariku kau ungienda kagaruruke ni kariku kana ni kariku urona andu matire maraka embrace?
He kanyamu ndairiro atiriri ni baba witu mugiria atiriri be the change that you want to see in the world. So if there is something that I want to change, it's me who will change it. So I don't have to tell people what is going to change. I will change it.
What do you plan to change?
I cannot tell you that. That is for me to change, and that's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa. Ni thank you muno mwiroreri wa Luciana na Mushene TV. Tukima haha na kairetu karia gagitagwo Gasheni ka Mugithi. Na ni tugethete muno, ni njoyo na inyue andu ingi ni marenda muno gukona na ringi gukorwo nako gagi perform. Hihi nguri atiriri he mundu ukurorete ugi trend nako no uri oraina no ende gukuhe show
jokie gaka haria
eni no ende gukuhe show angi gu contact atia?
For now mimi ni Duke 001. It means I'm in a record label. So mundu ngenda kuhe wira, one umenye Gasheni, I am under somebody, I am under a record label. So si kila wakati utanitaka nikuwe available, and which is good because I owe that to that man mwenye amenifunza hii kitu. But in case unataka kunipea kazi, I always say get to my DMs. Mi namba yangu iko kila mahali. When ndirako eta namba yako iduri nayo. Yes. So naba moini damira ona samido thaisho genda naba yake ni ukugia naba shiainire ziko kila mahali. So if you really want me to work with you, I am ready. I give the best of the best. Wale nimefanyia kazi they can attest to that. I give the best because that is who I am. And one more thing, ndio kana ni akojoria, kuna watu sana pale social media wamesema nidire hura githuri muno. And I want to respond to that because I guess this is my first interview nimefanya since that trolling thing. And to begin with, tikwe hura githuri. And this is our generation. Usiposhika hii mic, una expect nani aishike? If today, kwanza hata huyu amenipigia simu mara kadhaa and I was so much asking nyinyi ni TV gani, because I wouldn't just appear anywhere. It means knowing your worth. Kumenya we ukinye, who are you? You have to get to know who you are. You have to show people who you are, and that is what people are going to believe. Tikwe horage dori ushone Gasheni, that is the queen you're going to have, and there's nothing I can change about that. Wewe igwanedere horage dori munore, forgive me, but that is not going to change. That is me. Okay. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you muno. Nawapenda sana. Muendelee kunisupport Gasheni kama Mugithi everywhere Gasheni. And thank you so much to my fans. Salute ni nawapenda. Asanteni sana.
Thank you muno.
Akihebo. Rure.
Barene atoira.
Muti wa ngoma, yeto ngoma ya muti.
No.
Te muti wa ngoma. Ona ni anyito ria kwendaga.
No aretha clickbait. Gasheni koinira muti wa ngoma.
Muti wa no we, ni maundu. Tikonyinokia gwitu Nyeri uguo murenda.
Ndungeinuka. Uria wambiriirie ri.
Raino atiriri. Mundu tekite TikTok challenge. Ugeka no kani tag gago post. No tere. Kemisha kaire tu ne shugo nyana ni Gasheni nyingere. Kemisha kaire tu ne shugo nyana ni Gasheni nyingere. De mwana wandigo na nyumete Nyeri mushie gwitu thaya. De mwana wandigo na nyumete Nyeri mushie gwitu thaya. Unanyoro keteti besha shiarume
kwa Ngai.
Unanyoro keteti besha shiarume negoko kwa Ngai. Atena jugero ngami. Dona mtwaira. Sana nawapenda sana.
Thank you.